Are you looking for more ways to use your essential oils? Don't let your oils gather dust on the shelf. Make this diffuser recipe. With this Home Remedy Diffuser Blend, you can make a calming and relaxing atmosphere in your home to help you feel your best. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, the essential oil company that actually teaches you how to use your oils and sells them at an honest price. Turn off distractions, making is healing, and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. I'm using oils from the Simply Earth recipe box. I'm going to be using Relief Essential Oil Blend by Simply Earth, Copaiba Essential Oil, and Bergamot Essential Oil. I'm also going to be grabbing a 5 milliliter bottle to store my recipe in, which comes from the big bonus box of our recipe box. I've got my diffuser here already filled with water, ready to go. And I'm going to be adding 1 drop of Relief, 1 drop of Copaiba, and 2 drops of Bergamot. So what I'm going to do with this blend is make a master blend of it. That way I can just add a couple drops of it whenever I would like. And to do that, I'm gonna add 25 drops of Copaiba, 25 drops of Relief, and 50 drops of Bergamot. A 5 milliliter bottle like this one holds about 100 drops. So we just do the math from our first blend to get to 100 drops. Last but not least, I am going to label my blend, otherwise I will forget what's in it and I will not be able to use it because I won't remember what it is. And these really cute labels come in the Simply Earth recipe box. So now I have this diffuser blend ready to go. To use it, I'll just add a few drops to my diffuser and my Home Remedy blend is ready. You can make this diffuser blend too. Let's test it out together. I love it so much, it smells so good. I also love how the Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make this recipe. Go make it yourself. You know what else I love? Seeing your finished products on social media. So when you make this recipe, snap a picture and tag from Simply Earth and use hashtag I made this so I can check it out. Let's make this diffuser blend together so your essential oils don't gather dust on the shelf and you can support your wellness. It's time to start mastering your essential oils.